Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the installation of IDE for this tutorial. You may ask, what's the IDE? So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it's a simple text editor, and there are many available options online, including Atom, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, and many more. Visual Studio Code is my favorite because it comes with lots of plugins and extra features, and you can customize it the way you want. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can install Visual Studio Code on your Ubuntu operating system. So, first of all, head over to your favorite web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and open code.visualstudio.com. Most of the times, it will find out which operating system you are working on and will suggest you respective download for you. If you don't find such blue buttons in the middle of the page, you can click on the download button on the top right corner and it will take you to other download options. I'm working on Ubuntu, so .dev file will work for me. If you are working on Red Hat based system, you can install using the .rpm file. So I'm going to download this .deb file. Just click on this blue button and it will start the download process for you. If it doesn't start, you can click on this direct download link and it will take you to the respective download. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm going to cancel this one for me. And then I'm going to navigate to the applications and open a terminal. If you don't find a terminal over here, you can just search for terminal and it will show up over here. Just click on that one. Now you have to navigate to the location where you have downloaded the .deb file. For me, it's in my downloads folder, so I will write cd downloads. And if I type ls, I will see the list of files available over here. You can see there is code.deb file. I'm just going to copy this file name and I'm going to enter some command. You can just type the same command over here, sudo dpkg-i, and then the file name. This command installs the .deb file, so just enter the command and press enter key. It will ask for the admin password. Just enter the admin password and enter. It will start unpacking the Visual Studio Code file. So I will pause the video at the moment and come back to it once it's finished. So as you can see, I didn't get any error. So the download has finished successfully. Now to open Visual Studio Code, you can click on Show Applications and you will see Visual Studio Code icon over here. Just click on that one and it will open up the Visual Studio Code for you. Now to get ready for the tutorials ahead, I'm going to create HTML5 folder over in my desktop. So I will right click on new folder. I'm going to name it as HTML5 and click create. And it has created HTML5 folder on my desktop. So to open this folder in IDE, I'm going to click on File, Open Folder, and navigate to the location where I have created HTML5 folder. For me, it's in Desktop and HTML5. Click on OK, and it will open the HTML5 folder in your Visual Studio Code. Now you can navigate through the menu at the top. You can see that there are options to create new file, open folder, or save a file. You can also create new file by clicking on this new file button or new folder using this new folder button. That's it for this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you like, just give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.